Hello, what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can see that who checked your LinkedIn profile. So for that, what you need to do is first of all go to your preferred browser, right? Click on your preferred browser and you'll end up somewhere like this. Now what you want to do is basically head to your profile. The UI might differ, or if you're using a phone it might look different, but yeah. What you need to do is you need to click on your profile where it says me, and after that go to settings and privacy. After clicking on that, it'll take some time to load up this window, right? It's going to open up a new tab. Now what you want to do is you want to simply on the left hand side you will see an option called data privacy. Now what you need to do is click on data privacy and it'll take some time to load, right? And after that what you need to do is scroll down until you see the option called job seeking preferences, right? Once you see the option job seeking preferences, what you need to do is you need to go to share your profile when you click apply for a job. So basically when you click apply for a job, it's going to share your profile and you are going to know if somebody just checked your profile via that. So yeah, if you click on that, you're going to land here on this window, and here and here you can see that there's an option, or there's a button which you can toggle off or on, where it's going to share your profile. Okay, so yeah, it's going to share your profile with a job poster and they're going to see your profile, and similarly the job poster, if they visit your profile, you can see their profile. It's basically, if you don't let them see your profile, you can't see who visited your profile, right? So yeah, so after toggling it back on, now if you go to your LinkedIn feed, now what you need to do is click here and go to your profile. This is a newly created account and I haven't applied on any job, but if you applied on any job, it's gonna be added right here with analytic. As you can see in the analysis section, it says private to you and definitely no views because I haven't applied on any job. But yeah, if you applied on any job or if anybody visited your profile, you're gonna find it out right here. But yeah, for it they need to have that button. For that they need to have that button toggled on. If they don't have that, you are not gonna find out that if they visited your profile. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.